Today is July 13th, Monday, July 13th, and Nora is experiencing some hiccup action. Can you smile? Hey. Hello. 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 Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Ah. Whoa! Those are some good dance moves, Nora. Can you do some more? Whoa! Whoa! Where are you going with those legs, huh? Where are you going?